Body corporate levies are the lifeblood of every body corporate scheme. If lot owners do not pay levies, a body corporate may not have enough funds to conduct maintenance, or other lot owners may be asked to contribute more money. This could lead to financial strain on other lot owners, and the maintenance may not be kept up to date. This video will explain the basics of body corporate levy recovery. If lot owners do not pay their levies and contributions, then the body corporate are required to start debt collection for unpaid levies. As professional debt recovery lawyers, we are experts in the body corporate debt collection process. Body corporate debt recovery can be complicated, so it's best left to the professionals. There are a couple of ways that a debt recovery lawyer can assist bodies corporate to recover unpaid levies. This process includes sending a letter of demand, commencing legal action, serving the originating process, getting default summary judgment, and enforcing the judgment or money order. A lawyer's letter of demand is a good first step in the body corporate debt recovery process. This is because it sends a clear message that the body corporate is serious about collecting the unpaid levies, forcing the delinquent lot owners to take notice. If the lot owner still does not pay, then the body corporate will need to commence legal action to recover these unpaid body corporate levies. Legal action for debt recovery can be commenced in the court or in QCAT. Body corporate debt recovery is commenced by issuing a claim and statement of claim in the court or an application in QCAT. A sealed copy is then served on the debtor. The purpose of issuing legal proceedings is to obtain a judgment, which can then be enforced. The body corporate can enforce a judgment over the property of the judgment debtor. This can be done with the insolvency process or through the state courts by issuing an enforcement warrant, such as a warrant for seizure and sale of the lot owner's real property. If you're a body corporate committee or a body corporate managers, then please contact our body corporate levy recovery lawyers for expert advice and assistance.